Right now, there's a version of you in the future who is exhausted, panicked, and drowning in regret. And they are asking you one simple question. Why did you leave all of this for me? Today, we stop the cycle. You're staring at a blinking cursor. The clock on your wall sounds like a countdown to an explosion. You know the lack of sleep that's coming. You know the hollow, sickening feeling in your stomach. Yet, here you are, scrolling through a feed of strangers, reading facts you don't care about, or suddenly deciding that now is the perfect time to organize your desk. It's not laziness. Laziness is a choice to do nothing and enjoy it. Procrastination is a prison where you're doing nothing and hating yourself for it. It's a silent thief that doesn't just steal your time, it steals your self-respect. You tell yourself, I'll feel more like it tomorrow. But tomorrow is a mythical land where 99% of human productivity goes to die. The cycle continues, leaving you smaller and more afraid than you were yesterday. To fix this, we have to stop looking at your calendar, start looking at your brain. Psychology reveals that procrastination isn't a time management flaw. It's an emotional survival strategy. We are built to avoid pain, and right now, the work feels like pain.
The fear of the gap. We often stay frozen because we are terrified of the gap. As long as that project stays in your head, it's a masterpiece. The moment you start, you risk discovering you might just be average. We choose the safety of a zero over the danger of an imperfect attempt. We aren't afraid of the work. We are afraid of being judged. The amygdala hijack. When you look at a difficult task, your brain's amygdala perceives it as a threat. The same part that spotted lions on the savannah, it triggers a fight or flight response. Since you can't fight the spreadsheet, you flee to YouTube or social media. This is called mood repair. You aren't lazy. You are self-medicating. You're trading your future peace for 10 minutes of cheap comfort. Temporal disconnection. Brain scans show we think about our future self as a stranger. We treat our Monday self like a person we don't know and don't particularly like. We dump the burden on them because we can't feel their pain yet. But here is the cold, hard truth. Monday eventually becomes today, and that stranger is you. You are the one who has to pay the debt. The anxiety you dodged yesterday has only grown interest. The walls are closing in, and the exit is getting smaller. You are caught in the architecture of your own procrastination. But architecture can be redesigned. You can build a different way.
Stoicism teaches us that the only thing we truly own is the present moment. Stop waiting for the perfect mood. Inspiration is a luxury. Action is a necessity. The mood doesn't create the action. The action creates the mood. Lower your standards. Write a bad first sentence. Clean one corner of the room. You don't have to do it well. You just have to do it now. Your future self is begging you to start. Give them the gift of a finished task. If you're watching this to avoid something right now, this is your sign. Close this app, put your phone face down, and give me just 5 minutes of work. Hit the like button and subscribe to join our community of builders. Now, go start.